Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change language on Disney+. To change your display language settings for Disney Plus account, the first thing to do is to open a web browser and log into disneyplus.com. You can also open your Disney Plus applications from your mobile devices, and once you're logged in, go ahead and look for your profile picture and mouse over to it or tap on it. Now once you do that, click on the account option from the list. Click on Manage with My Disney under Account and click on this here link right next to Manage your Disney account details and log out of your device. Now in order to get to the account settings page, you may need to enter your password for your Disney Plus account. Click on View Account Management option and scroll down and click on the Language Preference option right next to General Preferences. Select your preferred language from the drop-down, and after you do that, click on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display language for Disney+. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.